Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first half of November. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or a mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's going on with the Cancerians. Okay, so we have the King of Cups, the Judgment, Eight of Wands, the Knight of Cups, okay, the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Five of Wands, Eight of Swords, okay, Seven of Cups, okay, Eight of Pentacles and the Magician. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck for Cancerians. Again, okay, we have the Five of Diamonds, which is the Hierophant of this deck. Okay, guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Okay, the Ace of Thought. Okay, so Cancerians, to start with, we have the King of Cups, the Judgment, and the Eight of Wands. So here you are emotional about something or someone, but you are controlling yourself. Okay, so you are emotionally stable, emotionally controlled, though you have a lot of emotions, but you know how to balance them and how much to show and what to do. It's something of that sort when a person is emotionally mature. Okay, so this is what you are. You have emotions for something which you are perhaps not showing completely since a pretty long time. That's what I feel. Okay, so you are controlling your emotions basically. But now with the Judgment card, it's the time. It's the time that you need to take a decision. It's the time that you now you feel that it's been high time. I need to open up. I need to show my emotions towards this situation, what or this person, whatever it is. And with the Eight of Wands, what I'm getting here is that you've been controlling this situation since a long time. Okay, maybe 6 months or even more than that. Okay, 3 to 6 months. Okay, so that's maybe even more than that. So there is a situation you are very, very emotional about, and now you feel is the right time or it's a high time that you need to talk about it or you need to open up. And that is what you are doing here with the Eight of Wands. There is a lot of communication over here. Okay, so that is what you decide to do. You take a decision. Okay, now I need to open up, I need to talk about it, and that is what you are doing. Following it is the Knight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. So with the Knight of Cups, you are definitely opening up. You are opening up emotionally, ready to cross the barriers which are coming on in the way. Okay, and what is happening here is that initially I think the progress was a little faster, and then with the Knight of Pentacles, the this progress in this relationship, or what if it is in a whatever it is in this situation, it has slowed down to some reason. And what I feel here is the slow is not the bad types or that you're disinterested. No, it's not like that. What I feel is you want a stable commitment over here. So basically that is why you're planning, or you think it's wise to be a little more practical, a little more going slow because it's being followed by the Two of Pentacles. What I feel here is that you are trying to weigh the pros and cons, and that is why you think if you want a permanent stability with this, if you want to grow this relationship or this situation, if it is a if even if it's a career, whatever this situation is, you want to make it stable. You want to grow with it slowly. Okay, and that is why you think it is a wise thing not to be so emotional, be a little more practical, be a little more grounded, and you are trying to balance this situation very, very wisely. Okay, that is what you are doing. Okay, or for some of you, it can be that you are for some reason becoming indecisive also. When you are practical, perhaps, then you start thinking about other things also. Maybe you are being indecisive over here, and that can also be the reason for being slow for some reason for some of you. Okay, because once you are in your head, once you start thinking with your mind, there are many other things which come to your mind, and perhaps that is what is happening for some of you at least. Okay, so for whatever the reason can be anything. It can be that you have started being practical and other things are in your mind and you're trying to, or it can be that you are trying to balance your work and this relationship. It can be that also. So whatever the reason is, you are trying to balance the situation, juggling between the two things, and things have started going a little slow as compared to the previous aspect of the previous the initial part, and that is very normal. But the following card is the Hermit card. Following it is the Five of Wands and the Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is that there is also something else which is coming on your mind, and you are trying to take a decision. You have really slowed down in the Hermit mode, and this, perhaps you've completely withdrawn your energy over here. Okay, since you are becoming, you are definitely slowing down and being indecisive for some reason, and that the what this can be anything. Here with the Hermit card, what I see is you are withdrawing your energy, really not investing much in this relationship, and trying to perhaps. Uh, I think you're just trying to make up your mind as to what to do for whatever this reason is of your slowing down and being indecisive. That reason, you want to find a solution to that reason as to should I go ahead or shouldn't I go ahead type of a thing. Okay, so there is something which has definitely come up over here, which has made you practical perhaps, and made you juggle in this situation. And here you're looking for the answers as to should I go ahead, should I not go ahead. You're trying to listen to your inner voice as to what you actually want. Following it is the Five of Wands and the Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is that this particular thing of this particular gesture of yours, that you have sort of withdrawn yourself, not investing that much, being a little more practical, either trying to balance the work and the relationship, which perhaps you are not able to balance that much because it is being followed by some sort of an argument, some sort of a conflict or a fight, whatever it is. And here with the Eight of Swords, what I feel here is there is something definitely which is happening. See, this Eight of Swords can be something if you have something from the past which was already holding you back because you've been uh, emotional for this person or this situation since a long time, but there was some reason that you were not opening up. Perhaps this was the Eight of Swords, that there was some bad experience or something holding you back at that time, and now again perhaps that thing has come up in your mind, and that is the reason, or maybe you're scared to open up. Though you started opening up, but now you're scared to open up. It can be that. So something is holding you back here with the Eight of Swords. And whatever this reluctancy is that you've moved ahead and now you're perhaps withdrawing, that is leading to a lot of argument between or a fight over here. And here with the Seven of Cups, definitely a lot of confusion, mental confusion over here. Okay. Following it is the Eight of Pentacles and the Magician. So what I feel here is that you start focusing on your work only. I don't think you are totally withdrawing yourself, though it is leading to an argument, but still I see that you are turning your back to the situation, maybe opening up to other it can be confusion also, or it can be new opportunities in your life. So you're looking towards something else basically. focusing on your work totally. And with the magician, what I feel here is, I see that you are ready for a new beginnings in some other area, or focusing on your life, practical aspects or work aspect, whatever this thing is. You see, it can be whatever this is. Maybe you are a person who is workaholic type of a person, too obsessed by the work. And maybe that was the reason that you didn't open. Perhaps at the start only you knew that you won't be able to give that much of time. It can be that also. If it is a work situation, then for those of you it is a work situation, maybe you're trying to convince the other person, other people around there, how to go about it, and perhaps you are not able to do that over here, and that is leading to an argument. But finally, what I feel here is that you are focusing on your work and you are totally ready for a new beginning over here. I don't see that there is much investment in this situation, whatever the situation is. And here with the five of diamonds, the hierophant over here in this deck, this hierophant also talks about a little bit of advice from seniors, from elderly people, some sort of counseling. So perhaps you need to take help from somebody who is senior to you in this situation. Guidance from the angels, Ace of Thought. This cherub has arrived to congratulate you for a brilliant new idea which is truly inspired. It is important to communicate clearly and thoroughly with others who are involved in the implementation of your idea. Don't be dissuaded by the little challenges along your way. These are merely the course corrections of the perfect plan. So, what I feel here is that this can be because you didn't communicate clearly as to what you actually want. And here also, you have slowed down yourself. You are not taking into consideration other people over there, other people who are involved in this relationship or in this situation, whatever the situation is. And that is what is the argument about. So though you started initially very nicely, it was a new beginning, it was everything was going good, but it is not culminating in a proper way. And here you are ready, I think you're leaving the situation and you are ready for this new beginning once again, or you want to do the same thing in some other way. It can be that also. So Cancerians, hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.